I'm a little bit of a ball of nerves because I am so excited, and this has been something that has been a dream to me.
Good morning, good morning! Oh my gosh, you're here! I'm here!
All right, well, let's look around. It's beautiful.
Well, when we walk in, this is kind of like, there's no place for backpacks and
oh, yes,
an organization with their own little
drop stations.
Yeah.
Are you married to it being right here, or can I maybe play if something's more?
No, the garage is on the back side of the house, so we can use that door a lot more.
Sweet.
So this is our formal living room.
Apart from needing fresh paint, Haley only has one problem with this room.
This is the only seating in the entire house for eating.
Okay.
And this is the kitchen. This is the room that really needs help.
Okay, it's original to the house.
Definitely is original.
I can't knock original.
I mean, right there in the middle of the kitchen.
You're cooking on an island.
You can cook from both sides.
Okay.
There are 2 drawers in my kitchen, and they're very small.
Where's all your baking stuff?
There's just no space for it in the kitchen. It's in a closet on the other side of the house.
Take me there, Haley.
Okay. When I'm baking, I have to pull my cake baking stuff out of the closet, drag it through the house.
This is normal?
So I'll typically put a cutting board over the sink to extend my countertops. There is no place for the mixer. There's nowhere to store it. It's a struggle.
All right, so I get it.
Yeah,
This is a lot of work. So, countertops, we need them. We need somewhere for you to bake your cakes. Will you bake me a cake if I give you countertops?
I would love to bake you a cake.
Sweet. Do we love this?
Love it.
Does all this need to be right here in the kitchen, or can we maybe find it at new home?
We can find it in your
Perfect.
home.
Do we love the table with the lamp?
This space is not utilized at all, unless someone might be in timeout.
I have a lot of plans for you. We have so much square footage here to play with. This is like an ideal situation, so it's gonna be awesome.
This is our playroom.
Okay. Oh, this is great space.
This is where the kids hang out, and it's just, the kitchen is separate from everything. So being in the kitchen, I'm closed off. I'm constantly yelling in the other room to see what they're up to or for them to come help me.
Let's role play. Let's see how this room works. Okay, so, Mom, I need some yogurt.
What?
He hit me. Stop hitting me. Mom, yogurt. So we need somehow communication to get through here. Okay, so in my notes, I'm gonna have this room meets this room. They get married and produce something beautiful. 2 days later, Haley has approved my designs and dropped off the signed plans along with one of her delicious cakes.
Mommy's gotta work, so let's go.
Love you guys. All right.
So what do we got here, Jen?
This is Haley, who made this cake. This is her house. She's a single mom, 3 boys. We're trying to condense it to a few areas of this home and really just knock it out of the park with what we touch. The boys' playroom is a hard-working space, full of temporary storage, as well as a pet hermit crab and even Mama's dumbbells. But they'll all fit, including the TV inside one of David's signature built-ins. This is a great and not too expensive solution at less than $4 grand. Most importantly, I'm hoping to cut into this wall to connect these 2 rooms and create a beautiful seating area for the boys to eat breakfast, do homework, and, you know, talk to their mom. This wall is booger green, so we're gonna repaint that. She likes green, so that's on me to bring that in a pleasant way. Haley's 1950s bathroom needs to not be bubblegum pink for starters. I'm filling in this internal door, we don't need it, and opening up this boxed-in tub to create a pony wall. We'll also extend the countertops into a double basin vanity. Total cost, $7,000. The kitchen is where we are putting in most of our money.
That's the focus.
She has 2 drawers in her entire kitchen.
Nah, I don't believe it.
Oh, storage is a whole problem.
2.
For a person who loves to bake, Haley has pretty much the least practical kitchen I've seen. She has almost no counter space, a pretty dangerous stovetop in the center of the room, a table she doesn't even use, and her main storage is floor-to-ceiling open shelving full of who knows what. But it's gonna be okay. This whole area opens up to become a beautiful, oversized counter with an induction stovetop and pop-up extractor fan. On the opposite side of the kitchen, more counter space and storage, including a pop-out pantry. And on the far wall, a built-in storage area and a coffee nook beside a valet that will function as a mini mudroom. Most of Haley's budget is going in this area, a little under 20 grand. This is going to be your space. I wanna do like built-ins, like a mail catch-all, like think like purses, junk mail. She's got great square footage and she has a lot of rooms. We just need to make it more functional. So I just want to give her that because she deserves it so much. I couldn't even imagine like keeping track of 3 boys by myself.
Yeah.
So
I'm looking forward to this one.
I just want to spoil her. Like I want to spoil her so bad. Clean out day is a crucial part of No Demo Reno. I'm having a dumpster delivered, but my team knows I'll be making sure almost nothing goes in it. Everything is carefully removed and either reused or sold. Holy hit! Looks so big in here. Just with all the stuff gone.
Yeah.
All right,
Okay.
what do we got?
So you've got this mud hall section here with
For the
hooks
backpacks?
for the kids.
Yes.
Boy, boy, boy.
Boy, boy, boy. So then
Yeah.
this will be where she does her coffee,
Yes.
but also throws her junk mail, so it's out of the way.
This should feel like a little morning sanctuary.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love it. 88 by like 60, 61. Tony!
What's the deal?
Picture it. Like, this is reveal day, right? Whole house
Okay.
looks amazing.
Come in.
Oh my gosh, nothing's changed. You know?
I see it. It's the first thing she's gonna see.
It's it's a can of soup. We've got to change it out.
Okay, we'll change the soup.
I'll find a really inexpensive fixture, cost-effective tile. Actually, this soup can is nearly 70 years old, so it's going on eBay. Nothing is wasted. Tony, David, and I are all in this den area, and we're all putting our thoughts together, trying to exactly figure out what this cabinet is going to be. The only thing that I don't love is that she doesn't have drawers.
Okay.
So can we do like a layer of drawers right here for like catching remotes? Yes, yep.
Okay.
I love that. I'm also making sure the built-ins are large enough to fit all of Haley's tubs of toys.
The only thing I definitely need to know is the size of TV.
It's in this house somewhere. Now for the wall that Haley wants to open up to connect the boys' playroom with the kitchen.
This piece here,
Yes, this
that's
piece.
good to go.
So when you texted me that,
Yes. It is not
I
load
was so
bearing. You're
excited.
good to go. How high do you want it though? You have the cabinets on this side. Up to this, 36.
let's do 36.
Awesome.
Yeah, I'm
Yep.
so excited. No permitting, no nothing. Cut it.
Are we gonna saw this up?
This wall.
You're gonna help me saw this up?
Yeah, no. You do this.
All right.
You're gonna build the built-in. I'm gonna go find a television. So, tape measure.
Do you know how to read that thing?
Listen!
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna try to make it like the smallest hole possible, and that way we don't like. Oh, tape measure. Oh, on my toe. I wrote TV, where would I be? I think I see it. Width, 44 1/4.
Say that again.
44 1/4.
And the height.
Here we go. Okay. What do you think of the floors?
It's awesome. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh!
So I listened to Haley and I took a lot of notes.
Oh, wow.
I think she wanted stuff for storage for the boys' toys. We nailed that with the built-in.
Oh my God. Oh, this is beautiful. It's huge.
It's huge.
And all this built-ins, oh my gosh, these are beautiful.
It still looks very mature, but the kids can also hide their stuff.
Yeah, this is
For
like
both of you.
a family room now. It's
Yes.
not just a playroom or a kid's room. It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful. That makes it look so much better.
I'm glad you noticed. Wasn't it red?
It was like, it was puke, remember? It was like we were in a color war. It's awesome.
Coffee nook, half valet. So
Yes.
now you've got your space for storage and for the things you want. So you can do mail or so it's a mature dumping ground, whatever you want. But you also have your little
it's
coffee area in the
so
morning.
functional.
This is for you. This is the you space. Now
this
this
is
is
their
the boy
dumping
space.
ground.
Yeah. A valet is essentially a mother's grab and go. You can put your keys, you can put your purse, you can put your boots, kids' backpacks, anything that's gonna junk up the space, you throw it on the valet as you're heading in or out the door.
We will use this space and it will be so functional.